everybody, my name is Issy. I am a yoga instructor and I am 28 years old. And I would say that this place has to be one of the most memorable experiences that I've ever had in my life. I thought at first my impression here would be about purely physical, but then I discovered that after the course is over, the things that impressed me the most is actually about my mentality. One of the workshops that I've had, which is called the breath work, I found myself crying in the workshop, and it was actually, I found out that it kind of unlocked me some of the stress or some of the part that I try to bury it for the rest of my life, and then it has been cracked and unlocked at that time. And after that, I felt even more happy. What I find that impressed me the most here is services and how the people here are so nice to encourage you to have a good lifestyle, eating habits, not just because you are here for 3 or 5 days or 10 days and then you go out and then that's it, but they try so hard to encourage you to make this as one of your lifestyle. My lifestyle before I came here was all about fitness. I work out a lot, pretty much 5 to 7 times per week. But I wasn't really aware about what I eat much. I mean, most of the meals I've eaten, which is quite healthy, but sometimes, and most of the times, I'm still, quite addicted to sugar and sweets. That would be about 4 or 5 years ago when I was a little bit more chubby and quite fat, and my health wasn't in very good shape. And I remember I went out traveling, and then we were on swimming and kayaking, and I felt myself that I was really tired, and that's kind of like a wake-up call to me that I don't want to be at 24 and be tired all the time. My program here at TheLifeCo was a master detox, which I can only drink juice and shakes and no food. My feelings and experience here, it's unforgettable. That's first of all. I was really impressed by everything here. Food, which is so amazing. I've had not like a bad experience about raw vegan food before, but I thought it was kind of bland and not tasting good. But then when I tried the food here, food is delicious, every single dishes that I've tried, so I really like the food here. And second of all, the colon cleansing. To be honest, I was quite scared at the beginning because honestly, it was actually my first time that I have done the colon cleansing ever in my life. So at first, I was super scared. But once I began to try it, first 5 minutes was pretty scary that I almost stopped it. But then I kept on going, and then I found that it wasn't that scary that I thought, and I kind of liked it. And then after that, I've been doing it pretty much for the whole stay that I have been here every single day. And about the activities and the facilities here, that I have to say, first of all, the view, the scenario, it's amazing, and you've got pretty much everything that I feel like I don't even have to leave the place to go anywhere. We've got gym. I was so thrilled to see the gym with all the equipments, and we have a Muay Thai class. We also have other kind of activities, and what I really like the most is those workshops, food workshops and breath work, which is actually something that really work on my mentality, not just a physical body. Healthy, in my opinion, it's not just something physical, but it's also mean about how do you feel mentally. Like, how do you feel when you wake up? How do you feel when you just had a piece of cake? How do you feel guilty? So that's also means healthy for me as well, because for the whole thing, healthy for me, it meant balance. How you balance in life physically and mentally. How do you get out regularly and work out? How's your eating habits? And most importantly, are you happy? That's what I would say, healthy. That's what it means, is you have to be both physically, mentally, and spiritually happy.